Good morning, students. Last class I told different types of functions, that is into function, many to one function, one function or injective function, onto function or surjective function. Like that, I have given definitions of kinds of functions. At the same time, whenever in the question, if they can ask, show that one function at a time, how to solve, for that I told procedure also. Even in case of onto functions, solve or show that the given function is onto function, at the time also how to solve those types of functions, and for that I have given a procedure also. Today we are going to solving the problems on injectivity on surjectivity. These types of problems are belonging exercise 1.2. Injective nothing but one function, surjective nothing but onto function here. They can ask in any way, just you have to give same answer. For example, if they can ask, show that the given function is injective function, or show that given function is one function, these two are giving same meaning here. Even in case of onto also, show that the given function is surjective function, or show that the given function is an onto function. In this case also, these two are giving same meaning here. That's what should not get any confusion if they can ask in the way of surjective or injective. That's why if they can ask in the generally they are asking in the way of one function onto function. Now let us we are going to solving the problems on one function and onto function here. Check the injectivity and surjectivity. Check the injectivity, check the injectivity and surjectivity for the following functions. For the following functions. For the following functions. For the following functions, like that here they are asking questions on one and onto function. First question, f maps from R to R is given by f of x is equal to x square. Now we have to check about this function f of x is equal to x square, whether is it forms 1 or onto. If it forms both 1 and onto, means at a time we can call those types of functions are bisective functions. Now in two ways we can solve this question. First, have to check about one function. One function. One function first one is. Say here f of 1 is equal to, take f of 1 is equal to 1 square. F of 1 is equal to 1 here. This side. F of minus 1 is equal to 1 square. Minus 1 whole square here. Minus 1 whole square. Then f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 of whole square plus 1. But here the elements 1 and minus 1, they have same image. That's what according to definition of one function or injectivity function, The different elements of domain are associated with different elements of codomain. Then only we are saying f is one function or injective function. But here the two different elements 1 and minus 1, they have same image 1 in the codomain. If we can show diagrammatically, I will show those elements they have same image or different image. By showing diagrammatically, easily we can analyze and easily we can understood about those elements whether they have same image or not. Here capital R is set of all real numbers. Here also set of all real numbers. R to R is map f 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to and so on. Down is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to and so on here. Here also take some elements in the codomain capital R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to and so on like this. It is x and it is y is equal to x square. It is x and it is y is equal to x square here. If y is equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to 1 square means 1 here. If minus 1, for minus 1 also we are getting a plus 1 here. For 2 plus 4, f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 4. F of minus 2 whole square plus 4. 3, 9. F of minus 3 plus 9. Like that here, the two different elements having same image. See, if you can observe the elements 1 and minus 1, they have same image 1. The elements 2 and minus 2, they have same image in the codomain capital R. The elements 3 and minus 3, they have same image 9 in the codomain capital R. Like that, two elements, they have same image in the codomain capital R. But according to definition of one function or injectivity, the different elements, that is the distinct elements of domain capital R, they have same image, they have different images in the codomain capital R, or simply we can call the different elements of domain capital R are associated with the different elements of codomain capital R. Then f maps from R to R is said to be one function or injectivity function. That like that we are giving definition. The different elements of domain capital R are associated with different elements of codomain capital R. Then f maps from R to R is said to be one function. But it is differ to that definition. Why? Because the elements 1 and minus 1, they have same image. That's why we can say f is not an onto function. But should write in some words. The elements 1 and minus 1. The elements 1 and minus 1 of domain capital R, they have same image, plus 1 in the codomain capital R. In the codomain capital R. In the codomain capital R. Therefore, f is not one function. Therefore, f is not one function. F is not one function. Like that, we are giving proving for one function in case of f maps from R to R is given by f of x is equal to x square. Now let us we are going to giving checking about surjective function or onto function. onto function, onto function, onto function. So clearly, if you can observe here, in definition of onto function, I told codomain is equal to range, then only that function f is said to be onto function. Here, if you can observe, whole codomain is a set of all real numbers, but range is only set of all images 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Like that, you will get only perfect square numbers. At that time, easily we can say codomain is not equal to range. Codomain means whole sets. Here, whole set of all real numbers. But range means only we are collecting set of all images. What are the images here? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Like that, perfect square numbers only will get. That's what easily codomain is not equal to range. Easily we can say that f is not an onto function. But before that, you should write some steps here. Already, when I told definition of onto function, in that function, under the note of that function, I told one formula to solve or to verify the onto functions here. That is, onto function means here formula f of x equal to y. F of x equal to y here. F of x square is equal to y. X is equal to plus or minus square root of y. But here does not belongs to capital R. Does not belongs to capital R. For example, let's y is equal to 3 of codomain capital R do not have any pre-image. Do not have any pre-image. Do not have any pre-image in the domain capital R. In the domain capital R. Therefore, f is not an onto function. F is not an onto function. Not only this, the mapping does not associated by any element you can take. See, for example, you can take negative elements also. -1, -2, -3, -4, -4. These are all not having any pre-images in the domain capital R. See, if you can observe 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Like those elements also, they do not have any pre-image in domain capital R. If they do not have any pre-images in domain capital R, means easily we can say no. Easily we can say that codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, f is not an onto function. And mapping does not form 10 element. Just take that as an example. My wish have taken only 3, but according to your wish, you can take some negative elements also. 2 also you can take, and if you can take 7, 6, 5 also, no problem. But the mapping should not formed by those elements. That element you can select to give an example in case of an onto function here. That is. Therefore, f is not an onto function. Next question. Therefore, f is the given function. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. Therefore, f is neither 1 1 nor onto function, nor onto functions. Nor onto functions here. Next one is Let the given function, second question, let the given function, let the given function let the given function f maps from R to R is given by, so Z to Z, R to R already I told no. Next is Z to Z. Z to Z is given by f of x is equal to x square, where Z is a set of all integers. On this set, f is it forming a 1 function or onto function, or it is neither 1 nor onto. We have to check about this for this question. Next, 1 function. Same for this question also, same how we applied a procedure for set of all real numbers, same procedure for this also we have to apply. How means diagrammatically I am showing here. So here it is a set of all integers. One side is domain z, another side is a codomain z here. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 you can take here. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4. Here also take set of all integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 like that. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like this. Z to Z is mapping here. Z to Z is mapping here. By words I am going to giving through words I am going to giving answer here. Say here, f of 1 is equal to 1 square. That is f of 1 is equal to plus 1, one side. Another side, f of -1 is equal to -1 whole square. F of -1 is equal to plus 1. One example enough. After showing this diagrammatical representation, just according to which one elements, like -1 or +1, or you can take -2 +2, because to show one example, that is through example we are going to showing a proof of 1 function. One is 1 square also value 1, and for -1 also value image is 1. For 2 4, and for -2 4 here. For 3 9, and -3 plus 9 here. It is the x, it is the y is equal to x square here. That's why after mention any two numbers, 1 -1 or 2 -2 or 3 -3, then you should write about these in words like this. The elements 1 and -1, the elements 1 and -1, comma, they have same image, they have same image plus 1 in the codomain capital Z. Elements 1 and -1 they have in the codomain Z's. The elements 1 and -1 of domain Z, that is 1 and -1 means already diagrammatically represented. No, Z is domain. That's what no need of writing domain Z here, because easily by showing diagrammatically 1 and -1 they are belonging to which domain or codomain. Easily we can analyze by showing and by seeing this diagrammatical representation. That's what here the elements 1 and -1 of domain Z, they have same image plus 1 in the codomain Z. That's what f is not 1 function. F is not 1 function. should not get same element for 1 and minus 1, because already I told no definition of 1 1 is the distinct elements of domain Z are associated with distinct elements of codomain Z. Then only f maps from Z to Z is defined by f of x is equal to x square is 1 1 function or injectivity function. But these rules are differ to that definition. That's what easily we can show that f is not 1 1 function by taking numbers 1 and minus 1 from the domain Z. But these two elements, they have same image 1 in the codomain Z. That's what we can say that f is not 1 1 function here. Next, let us we are going to discussing about onto function. Onto function. Onto function, same how we gave proof for onto function in case of f maps from R to R is given by f of x equal to x square. In the same way we are going to giving a proof for this question also. Say here onto function. Onto function here, f of x equal to y, same common formula. This formula must and should verified by the domain and codomain. Then only we can say that f is not an onto function here. F of x is already they gave x square is equal to y. X is equal to plus or minus square root of y. Because this question is defined on Z to Z. We never see like those numbers in case of set of all integers. That's what easily we can say that does not belongs to Z's. Otherwise, take one example. Y is equal to minus 3. Let's say here, should write like this. Let y is equal to minus 3 belongs to codomain Z. Codomain Z. Codomain Z. Do not have any pre-image. Do not have any pre-image in the domain Z. That is x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 3 does not belongs to Z. One element enough. If we can like this procedure at least one element, then easily we can say that codomain is not equal to range. See in this diagram, if you can observe here, codomain becomes whole set of all integers, but range becomes only set of all images 1, 4, 9 like that. Images, set of all images here you are getting 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 like that. But codomain is whole set of all integers. That's what easily we can say that codomain is not equal to range. When you are getting like that, easily we can say that f is not an onto function. It is. Therefore, f is not an onto function. F is not an onto function. Not an onto function. Thus we can write, thus f is neither 1 1 nor onto functions. Nor onto functions. That is, now we are going to discussing about one more question here. Third question. N to n. Let the given function f of x is equal to x square is defined on f maps from n to n, set of all natural numbers. Let the given function let the given function f maps from n to n is given by f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x square, where n is the set of all natural numbers. In case of set of all natural numbers, now we have to check is it forms a 1-1 function or onto function. Same 1-1 function first. Solution for this question is 1-1 function. Otherwise, first we should write f of x equal to x square. Let the given function f of x is equal to x square is defined on f maps from n to n. First 1-1 function. How to check about this? 1-1 function is very simple. See, diagrammatically I am showing here. It is the set of all natural numbers. Here also set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers means here starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this. It is x, it is the y is equal to x square. N to n mapping is one function here, f. 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 square, 1. 2, 2 square, 4. 3, 3 square, 9. 4, 4 square, 16 like that will get here. Different elements and different images. That's what, by showing this diagrammatically, different elements are associated with different elements. That is, different elements of domain capital N are associated with different elements of codomain capital N. Different elements of domain capital N are associated with different elements of codomain capital N. Therefore, usually we can say that f is an 1-1 function. If elements like that, we can apply this procedure. F of like this. This procedure how to apply. One function. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 square is equal to x2 square. Directly we can write x1 is equal to x2, because with equal symbol their powers are same, means directly we can equate their bases. Otherwise you may raising doubt also. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 will come, because we define this function on set of all natural numbers. That's what we are going to neglecting negative numbers. Just we are including positive numbers. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 will come generally. But this function is defined on set of all natural numbers. In case of natural numbers, we are not getting negative numbers. That's what we are going to neglecting them, including positive numbers only. That's what here I have written here only x1 is equal to x2. Already I told also the solution. This is the procedure to solve one function problems. First we consider like this, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. On solving, finally you should get x1 is equal to x2. Then easily we can say that f is an one function. Therefore, f is one function. F is one function or injectivity function. Next, onto function. Onto function. Onto function formula is f of x equal to y. This is the verification. F of x equal to y. F of x means x square is equal to y. X means plus or minus square root of y. But negative numbers, they are not belongs to capital N. Otherwise, by seeing that diagrammatical representation here, in the case of codomain, whole codomain means set of all natural numbers. Range means only set of all images. What are the images here we are going to getting here? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Like that we will get only perfect square numbers. That is the range. But codomain is a whole set capital N. But range is not equal to codomain. That's what easily we can say that f is not an onto function. Otherwise, consider here any element mapping should not have by any element in codomain capital N. Take 3 or 2, 5 or 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 as your wish. But mapping should not formed by those elements. But which element you can select as your wish. My wish, I am going taking 3 here. Let's y is equal to 3 belongs to codomain N. Do not have any preimage in the domain N. Therefore, f is not an onto function. Therefore, f is neither one nor onto functions. Neither one nor onto functions. Is the proving or verification of one and onto functions. Like that we are giving proof about checking or verification about the functions, whether they are one functions or onto functions. Like that today we solved 3 functions on different types of number system. One first function is f of x is equal to x square is defined on f maps from R to R. In that case we got f is neither one nor onto. Sorry, it is neither not. F is one but not an onto function. Therefore, f is one but not an onto function. Like that. F is one but not an onto functions. Like that we proved. Second question is f maps from z to z is defined by f of x equal to x square. Third question is f maps from n to n defined by f of x equal to x square. But in this case only we got f is one function but not an onto function. Before this we solved to know both are neither one nor onto. Like that we solved some different types of questions on one and onto functions. Next class we'll solve some more different types of functions on 1 1 and onto functions like signum function, greatest integer function, modulus function, like all these functions, whether they are forming 1 1 or on 2, about all these three next class will solve. Thank you very much.